Welcome, my friends, to my new series एक और अनेक. This time, एक ही फिल्म के अनेक गीत. The nostalgic movie with haunting melodies is the turn of Abhiman, 1973's Bollywood classic. Abhiman has remained as a repeated value, watchable, memorable movie, what with its simple yet touching story, poignant climax, and its exploration of marital dimension, its discovery and issue about ego, pride, futile jealousy, etc., which resonate with the audience even now. The music maestro S.D. Burman concocts divine music in the form of 7 songs which are really true gems in the truest sense of the term. Majru Sultanpuri has aptly written penetrating lyrics for all these songs based on classical ragas. In fact, Abhiman was originally named as Rag Ragini, as music plays the main role in the entire storyline. Abhiman called for outstanding performance that was ably enacted by Jaya Bhaduri, who won the Filmfare Award for that particular year, along with Best Film Music Director Award for S.D. Burman. Amitabh Bachchan also gives a very memorable, very subtle, very underrated kind of performance in Abhiman. In fact, Abhiman was a commercial hit as well. It is considered as the biggest hit of Amitabh in 1973 and played a very vital role and became a milestone in his earlier career. As I said, music plays very important role in Abhiman, and every song carries forward the story. Hence, I thought it would be very difficult for me to introduce you to these gems of songs without touching the storyline. Here you are with the plot and the songs. Hrishikesh Mukherjee cleverly saves time by introducing the hero along with the credit card and the opening song. Subir is an already established singer who is sought after from all the industries. He keeps on giving concerts and his records are being sold like hotcakes. And there is a huge fan following from younger girls to the married ladies who haunt him, trouble him, by calling even at odd time in the night. But he prefers to remain a bachelor. He has no time to respond to these kind of feelers. All this is so beautifully portrayed with a single song, Meetna Milare Manka. Hey, no, hey, hey. मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, हे मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, कोई तो मिलन का, कोई तो मिलन का करो रे उपाय, रे मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना. चैन नहीं बाहर, चैन नहीं घर में रे, चैन नहीं बाहर, नहीं बाहर, चैन नहीं घर में, मन मेरा धरती पर और कभी अंबर पर। उसको ढूंढा हर नगर में, हर डगर में, गली गली देखा, नयन उठाए रे, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना।
रोज मैं अपने ही प्यार को समझाऊं रे, रोज मैं अपने ही, रोज मैं अपने ही प्यार को समझाऊं, वो नहीं आएगा मान नहीं पाऊं, शाम ही से प्रेम दीपक मैं जलाऊं, फिर वही दीपक तू मैं बुझाए रे, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना। देर से मन मेरा आस लिए डोले, देर से मन मेरा आस लिए डोले, प्रीत भरी पानी साज मेरा बोले, कोई सजनी एक खिड़की भी न खोले, लाख तराने रहा मैं सुनाए रे, मीत ना मिला रे मन का, मीत ना, मीत ना।
Cut 2. Subir decides to steal away some personal moments by visiting his Mausi as a surprise in his village. He hardly is aware that he would get the biggest surprise of his life. While roaming around the village, he is haunted by a lilting voice of a village bell. He just follows the voice and he falls in love with first sight with her voice rather than her. Later he finds her out to be a simpleton Uma Devi of the village who just sings for her heart's content, even though she has incredible magical voice. Nadiya Kinare Herai Maito Kangana is the song which takes the story forward. Here you have to note how Majru Sultanpuri, to bring authenticity, uses the word in Awadhi Hindi Herai, which means lost. Here you are with this beautiful song based on Rag Pihu. Hey Nadiya Kinare Herai Ai Kangana, Nadiya Kinare Herai Ai Kangana, ऐसे उलझ गए अनाड़ी सजना, ऐसे उलझ गए अनाड़ी सजना, नदिया किनारे हेराई आई कंगना, नदिया किनारे हेराई आई कंगना। काहे बनगटू पर गई थी चल के अकेली, मारे हंस हंस ताना सारी सखियां सहेली गोरी और जाओ न मानो कहना, गोरी और जाओ न मानो कहना, नदिया किनारे हेराई आई कंगना, नदिया किनारे हेराई आई कंगना।